Are you a seasoned traveler or just starting your adventure? Either way, a good backpack is essential. Today we're diving into the world of travel bags to bring you the top 5 best travel backpacks of 2024. Let's find the perfect pack for your next journey. Choosing the right backpack can make or break your trip. We hope this video has helped you find the perfect companion for your adventures. Remember, the best backpack is the one that suits your individual needs and travel style. Happy travels! Number 5. LIGHT Travel Backpack for Women. The LIGHT Travel Backpack for Women is designed to be a practical and stylish companion for your daily commute or travel adventures. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Anti-theft design. Protects your belongings from pickpockets. USB charging port. Conveniently charge your phone on the go. Water-resistant material. Safeguards your items from light rain. Large capacity. Ample space for your laptop, books, and other essentials. Comfortable design. Breathable shoulder straps for added comfort. While water-resistant, it might not be fully waterproof. The USB charging port might not be compatible with all power banks. Number 4. coowoz Large Travel Backpack for Women Men. The coowoz Large Travel Backpack seems to be a versatile choice suitable for both women and men. Its emphasis on waterproofing and spaciousness makes it a good option for various activities, including travel, hiking, and everyday use. Key features: waterproof, protects your belongings from rain and moisture. Large capacity, ample space for packing your essentials. Versatile, suitable for travel, hiking, and casual use. Unisex design, appeals to both women and men. The level of waterproofing might vary in extreme conditions. Comfort level during long hikes might depend on individual preferences. Number 3. OGIO Alpha Convoy 20 Backpack. The OGIO Alpha Convoy 20 Backpack is designed for individuals who prioritize style, organization, and durability. This mid-sized backpack offers a perfect balance of functionality and aesthetics. Key features: compact yet spacious, 20-liter capacity for essential items. Stylish design, modern and sleek appearance, organization, multiple compartments for efficient storage. Durability, built to withstand daily wear and tear. Comfort, padded shoulder straps and back panel. Ideal for students and professionals who need a stylish and functional backpack, people who prioritize organization and easy access to their belongings, individuals seeking a backpack for everyday use or short trips. Potential drawbacks: might be too small for heavy loads or extended travel. Some users might find the 20-liter capacity insufficient for their needs. Number 2. LOVEVOK Travel Backpack for Women. The LOVEVOK Travel Backpack is designed to be a practical and stylish choice for women on the go. Its focus on functionality and organization makes it a suitable option for various travel scenarios. Key features: TSA-approved carry-on size, convenient for air travel, large capacity, 40 liters for ample storage, water-resistant, protects your belongings from light rain. Laptop compartment, accommodates up to a 17-inch laptop. Organization, includes packing cubes for efficient packing. Ideal for women who frequently travel and need a versatile backpack. Students and professionals who require a spacious and organized bag. Short-term travelers looking for a carry-on option. Potential drawbacks: while water-resistant, it might not be fully waterproof in heavy rain. The backpack's weight might increase significantly when fully packed. Number 1. SWISSGEAR 1900 ScanSmart TSA 17 Laptop Backpack. Navy Ballistic 19-inch. The SWISSGEAR 1900 ScanSmart TSA laptop backpack is designed with both durability and convenience in mind. Its focus on TSA compliance and laptop protection makes it a popular choice for frequent travelers. Key features: TSA-friendly design, easy laptop access for security checks, durable construction, made from 1,200D ballistic polyester, laptop protection, dedicated compartment for devices up to 17 inches, organization, multiple pockets for efficient storage, comfort, padded shoulder straps and back panel, ideal for frequent travelers who prioritize convenience and security, professionals who carry a laptop and need a durable backpack, students who require a backpack for both school and travel. Potential drawbacks: might be heavier than some other options due to its durable construction. The design might be less stylish compared to some other backpacks. Ultimately, the best backpack for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. Consider factors such as comfort, how important are padded straps and back panels. By carefully considering these factors, you can select the backpack that best suits your lifestyle and requirements. Thanks for watching.